What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having a good day today. So, if y'all read by the title, y'all see what's going down today. I have in my hands the world's hottest chef. Not even joking. Like literally, like there's all different type of warning labels on the back. There's literally on the package it tells you do not eat. Like it literally says do not eat this chip. Before we get in this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, man. Quit playing with y'all. Real talk, man. I need y'all to smash that motherfucker because if I'm doing something like this, man, I need y'all to share this basically with everybody. And the best way to do that.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Fuck. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and if you like seeing crazy stuff like this, man, I would hit that subscribe button, bro, as much as possible, and turn on post notifications because I'm doing this for y'all. I love y'all, and I know y'all love to see me in pain. Trust me, I've seen the comments. Y'all niggas laugh at my pain. The shit is not funny. We gonna get into it. Let's cut the intro, man. What am I doing? So I'm already one of the most dumbest niggas on this planet. But before we even get into indulging, I only have one of two things. First things first, the chip. Second thing that I have, McDonald's water cup. Third thing, a throw-up bag from Jack in the Box. That's all I need. But before we get into my ultimate demise and utter doom, let's first read the box. So, first things first, I see it says paquito, paquito. So it's already Spanish off rip, so you already know what to expect, fool. Peppers, spices, all different type of Mexican spices all combined into one already. The skull on it, that's a big no-no. Big skull about right here. I mean, with fire around it. El Diablo, I must assume. Wow. It says One Chip Challenge 2020. Carolina Reaper, Sahara Heat, like the Sahara Desert Heat, like the Sahara Desert Heat. So you basically telling me, it's gonna be as hot as. I'm not gonna get into it. Inside, reading right here, it says inside, one extremely hot tortilla chip right there. Let's open the box. Off rip, there's punching bags and skeletons all around the box. Off rip. Let's take some of this stuff out right here. All right, so first things first, one chip challenge, right? Boxing gloves. You versus the Reaper. Okay. Most niggas try to go against the Reaper. What happened? They're dead. I mean, so it is what it is. What to expect? Made with Carolina Reaper peppers, scorpion peppers. You telling me scorpion from Mortal Kombat? Nigga, that's hell flames, my nigga. All right, and we got I can't even read that word, bro, but it's a peppercorn. I've never had a peppercorn, so you know. This chip was created from the sheer pleasure of intense heat and Round one, a spicy punch to the tongue. Great. Round two, don't forget the fire peppers, right? Round two, a fiery jab to the face. Round three, impaired vision from tears. Oh, I can't wait for that part. This is great. And round four, A low blow to the guts in round 5, KO means you're not winning. You're like, it just there it goes right there. That means I'm winning. I don't know why I'm doing this, bro. My heart's beating on my chest. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, this shit is not a game. Like, that's the crazy part. Like, this is it right here, y'all. Before I get to this chip, man, please smash that like button. Like, I'm only asking that y'all please smash the like button because it's like, what else, you know? So, oh my God. Oh, great, it's broken a little bit. You know, it doesn't smell that bad. Oh, there's more chip. There's more chip. Here's the chip. It's black, so you know what that is. All right, y'all. We finna get into it. 3. All right, y'all. We gonna get into it. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm scared because this shit is not serious right now. All right, y'all. We gonna indulge. 3, 2, 1. I can't, bro. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. My heart's beating fast because it's like, bro, I'm scared. The anticipation is killing me right now. Like, all right, 3, 2, 1. One of the most dumbest niggas on this planet. One of the most dumbest niggas on this planet. Woo! Ooh, okay. All right. A little hot. Woo! Hot! Shit! Oh! One of the most dumbest niggas on this planet. Why does it hurt? Lord Jesus, please let me get, please get me to this one. Please get me to this one. Please. I can't do it. I can't do it. Dad! Did I do it?
Some milk.
I can't take it.
Need some milk.
Why do I my baby care?
You want some milk? You want some milk?
I think it was so bad. Yo, I can't talk that down. I can't do it. I can't do the work. Bitch. You guys are still here. If y'all can, please like the video. Smash the subscribe button, and if you're new, please comment down below that you're new, and please comment down below prayer emojis. That was my homies calling me right now. See if I'm okay. I just want to make sure. Just please pray for me. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out of here. Wish me luck, please.
Always told me I was different, I ain't got no fear. I don't eat the cat, that's why I probably don't got a beard. I can tell you about my life story, you ain't gotta